In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a crypto portfolio on CoinMarketCap. To create your own portfolio on CoinMarketCap, start by selecting the sign-in option. After accessing your account, go to the Portfolio section. In the Portfolio section, select the option to create a new portfolio. Enter a name for your portfolio, such as My Savings, and select Create Portfolio. Once your portfolio has been created, you can start adding tokens. To add a token, select the option to add a new token to your portfolio. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add and enter the amount you have. For example, select a token, enter the value, and add the transaction to your portfolio. After adding the first token, you can add another token by selecting the option to add a new token again. Choose the next cryptocurrency, enter the total amount, and review the price and total spent information. Select Add Transaction to save the new token to your portfolio. Continue adding your different cryptocurrency holdings by entering the required information for each token. After adding your tokens, your portfolio will display the total amount of cryptocurrency you have added. You can view all your assets, token prices, and holdings in one place through your CoinMarketCap portfolio. If you need to make changes, select the Manage option. From here, you can edit your portfolio and update the information. You can adjust your portfolio details and then return to view your updated information. Your CoinMarketCap portfolio is now created. You can continue adding tokens and tracking your cryptocurrency holdings from the portfolio section. Thank you for watching.